you have to step up your game in this market. If you want to be competitive, if you want to stay relevant, if you want to grow in your business, then you definitely need to make sure your ads don't suck. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be going over the 10 reasons why your business might not be making any money. But don't worry, I'm here to help you guys because you know what? I've made my own share of mistakes that I think that I can share with you guys and you guys can learn from it. And also there might be some things that you're not even aware of because no one's told you or you haven't come to that realization yet. But that's why this video is here for you. So the first reason why your business might not be making money, you aren't targeting the right customers. So once you started your business, I'm really hoping that you did this. If you haven't, it's not good, but it's also not bad. It is kind of bad. You definitely should have located or identified your target customers. So this means what age group they are, what their buying behaviors are, where are they located, are they male or female, what type of things do they like to buy in addition to what you're selling, your product and or service. You definitely should have identified your target customer. If that's something that you have not done, then I have no idea how you're even doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads. I really don't know how you're targeting your customers, because if you don't have your target customer base, then you might just be throwing things out there hoping that it will catch someone, and that's just not how it works in the business world. So the second reason, okay, I'm gonna try and say this in the nicest way possible, but the reason why you may not be getting any sales or that your business is not growing is because your ads suck. Ooh, I know, I touched a soft spot, didn't I? Okay, I have been guilty of this in the past. It definitely took some time, trial and error, and also making sure that I see what my competitors are doing. You have to make sure that your ads are appeasing to your target customers. If you are selling a specific product that might even be new, and this is something your target audience needs, but they don't understand the use of it or how it could be very beneficial to them, you definitely need to create a video for your ad. Pictures are not gonna do justice. If you are selling some beautiful clothes that you designed yourself, videos and pictures will work for you. And you have to make sure your pictures look good, appealing. Like if you were a customer and you saw the picture, would the picture be attractive to you? You have to step up your game in this market. If you want to be competitive, if you want to stay relevant, if you want to grow in your business, then you definitely need to make sure your ads don't suck. Something else that I want to mention in addition to ads is if you are going to be paying people to promote your ads, then make sure that you are promoting your ads on the right page. Like if you were selling baby clothes, you definitely don't want your stuff to be posted on, I don't know, a gossip website. There is no relation there. Post it on some Instagram pages or Facebook pages that actually have customers that are moms. Moms are the ones that are going to be your target audience, are they not? So make sure you're posting your ads on the correct platforms as well, or I should say the correct accounts on the platforms that you're using. So the third point, and this one is a sore spot for me because I have web development experience. I've done it for over 10 years. But if your website sucks as well, chances are people are coming to your website and it's either too slow or it looks kind of scammy, they're gonna dip. So you want to make sure that your landing page, which will be your home page, you want to make sure that that looks appealing. You want to make sure you have clean, nice, clear-cut images that will also attract your target audience. any promotions that you're going on and you want your customers to know, make sure that is on your landing page, because that's what will kind of get them sucked in. Like if I come on your page and I see images that look like, I don't know, they were created in Paint or something. Sorry, Paint, but I'm just being honest here. Yeah, no, you don't want things like that on your page, because if you use your Google Analytics, and I'm hoping you're using that as well on your website, your bounce rate is probably awful. So number 4, now this one kind of ties with ads, I guess you can say, but you aren't consistent. So if you are not consistently posting on your social media platforms, then that's a big no-no. If you want to make sure that you keep your customer base interested and also that you're getting new potential customers, you got to make sure you're posting consistently on all your platforms: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, etc. You want to make sure that you are posting consistently so that people know, ooh, you have a new product. Ooh, I've never seen this product before. I want to buy it. Ooh, you got a new sale going on. Oh my gosh, you're so personable. I like that quote that you posted or that funny meme that you posted. You got to be consistent in some way, shape, or form. Now, I actually created a video going over the 9 business apps that all businesses need. Check out that video because I actually talk about one app that you guys can use to post to your social media, and it does it for you automatically. So you just set it, figure everything out that you need for 1 month, and you have it scheduled and it will post for you automatically. I will link that video in my description box down below, so go and check it out if you guys have a chance. So the 5th reason why you might not be making business or growing it is that you don't have any proper plans in place for your business. So this could be a wider range of things, but from a logistical standpoint, you want to make sure that if you, as an example, if you're a clothing company, you're always planning ahead. So while winter is currently happening, you should already make sure that your spring inventory is either ready to be ordered. You already have your pictures in place. You already have everything sorted out. You already have the name of your collection, whatever you're going to do. You want to be planning ahead. So if you want your business to survive, if you want your business to grow, make sure that you're constantly planning for what's next when it comes to your business and how you're going to be planning out how you plan to grow your business over the years, months, weeks. So number 6, you have not done any competitive research. If your competitor's offering better deals than you, that's something that you need to know. If your competitor is doing something different and it's attracting more people, that's something that you should know. If your competitors are offering something new to the market that you haven't thought of, that's something you need to know. Aside from even just doing competitor research, you also want to do market research, like what's trending right now that you could be taking advantage of the moment. Are you contacting your vendors for your products to find out what their top products are? Like, what research are you doing to make sure that you stay on top or that you are beating everyone else? Because let's be honest, some of us are in saturated markets, and if you're not different or answering to a need or even bringing across your brand in the appropriate manner, you're not going to survive in this market. And I'm actually giving you advice, hoping that you guys can take it, adjust, do your research, and even conquer the market, destroy your competitors. That's what I'm really hoping for you guys. So this is another one that I've been guilty of. I swear, I'm pretty sure I've been guilty of everything. So you guys should not feel bad if you find that you're also not doing these things. But as a business owner, I don't know, I'm one of those people that just wants to do everything myself, and sometimes I just have to be realistic and say, Julian, you don't specialize in that, or you don't have those expertise, and I just need to pay someone to do it. So if you find that you're doing the same, it's time. If you need to go on Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, then that's what you need to do, because you could be focusing on things that you are actually good at to grow your business or even get your business started. If you don't know how to make proper logos, please go and pay someone. You can write it off as a business expense. Just go and pay someone if that's something that you're not good at. Now, number 8 kind of ties with number 7 a little, but if you have poor financial management skills, ties with number 7, hire someone. If that's something that you're not good with, your business will definitely suffer. You want to make sure at the end of the year you know how much money you've made, and then how much in profit you've actually made. You want to make sure all your expenses has been paid. So hire someone if that's something that you're not good with. Now, this one might offend some people. I'm really hoping it doesn't. But we've all come across a business where their customer service skills were garbage, like garbage, just trash. So if you're someone that's maybe not good with writing emails, or you don't know how to effectively communicate well to a customer, I think you should hire someone to do that as well. Or if it's not something that's feasible for you right now, then you can look up on Google or any search engine platform. Look up some business templates or customer response templates that you can manipulate and use to your benefit. Customer service is what's going to actually bring people back, because some people may not always remember what you said, but they'll definitely remember how you made them feel. So if your attitude may not be the best when it comes to certain things, like, dealing with refunds and dealing with complaints, then maybe that's something you should hire someone to do, like a student, an intern, or just look up some templates online that you can use and just close your eyes and send it out to them, because you don't want to deal with it anymore. So the last but not least, is you need to master adjust, rinse, and repeat. So let me repeat that again. You need to master adjust, rinse, and repeat. And all that simply means is that you need to be able to adjust to your market by adapting to changes to your market, changes to your target audience, changes to your product, your service. You want to make sure that you're always adapting and growing. You can't stay the same forever. You don't want to become Blockbuster, do you? Sorry, Blockbuster, but you know what I mean. Netflix is taking over now. So make sure that you're always doing things to adjust. And then rinsing, you want to make sure that you remove what you need to remove. You need to remove what may not be working, modify things if you need to, change anything you need to. And the last one is repeat. So the previous ones that I've actually covered, make sure you're consistently doing those things as well. So if you want to stay on top of everything, follow some of my steps. And if you find that these are things that you may lack or things that you may not have noticed, please comment down below, because I'd love to know. And also, if there's anything that I haven't covered that you learned during your whole starting up your business or growing your business, definitely comment it below as well, because I want people watching this video to see different comments on things that I didn't touch that could be very beneficial to them. Let's have our little, mini community, business community, helpful business community put together so that we can all help each other and watch our businesses grow. That's definitely something I want for everyone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I got some more amazing content coming for you guys. I will be creating a video about some Shopify apps that could be super beneficial to you guys, so stay tuned. I love you guys.